Culling in AutoCAD 3D. Culling, if you go to the Home tab and here it is in the selection, you can see Culling. The same tool, if you go to the Solid and here it is available inside Selection panel, the Culling. The Culling means if you select any 3D object, you can see the backside line. But if you use this Culling and I selected this Culling, it is active now. Now I select this 3D object, you cannot see the backside line. So if you don't want to see the backside line, if you see here, if I select the backside lines, you can see. I used here realistic. You can use shaded or shaded with edges like that. Any styles if you use, and I select here, you can see the backside line. But if you active this Culling and if you select the object, you cannot see the backside line. This is the use of Culling tool in AutoCAD 3D.